now today we will go with the topic electric dipole. Okay, so what does the name dipole means? Okay, di means two. Okay, and pole, you know. Okay, so on the two end there are two different charges. Okay, so this system is called a dipole. The distance between them is 2a. From the center we can say it as A. Now remember, both these charges must be having same magnitude. Clear? Both these charges must be having same magnitude. Right? So the definition of an electric dipole is two charges which are having same magnitude, okay, but two opposite having same magnitude separated by a finite distance. So this is a finite distance. Here this is called a dipole. Clear? मतलब दोनों चार्जेस की मैग्नीट्यूड सेम होगी. इफ दिस इज +2 माइक्रोकूलम, दिस मस्ट बी -2 माइक्रोकूलम. ओके, द डायरेक्शन. नाउ व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ डाइपोल? See, where you can see the direction of arrow from negative to positive. So the direction of dipole is from negative charge to positive charge. Okay, that is the direction of dipole. Clear? Okay, so we can give the direction name as unit vector P. Clear? Unit vector P, because P is the symbol for dipole moment. Okay, now what is dipole moment? The formula for dipole moment: P is equal to 2aq. Okay, vector P is equal to 2aq. Now see, what is this? What is 2a? Distance between two charges, right? And what is q? The magnitude of charges. This is plus q, this will be minus q. So this is the magnitude of the charges. So this is nothing but this is the product of which two things? Distance between the two charges and the magnitude of charge. So this is the mathematical form. Convert it into English, right? That is the definition of dipole moment. Dipole moment. So dipole moment can be defined as the product of the magnitude of the charges and the distance between the two charges. That is called dipole moment. If I want to talk about a unit of dipole moment, then see, what is the unit of 2a? What is 2a? Distance. So meter. And q, what is the unit of q? Q is the charge, so its unit is coulomb. So the unit of this dipole moment is coulomb meter. Okay, so that is the unit of dipole moment. Clear? So I am just revising the whole topic. Okay, see, what is electric dipole? Okay, the electric dipole is a system of two opposite charges having same magnitude separated by a finite distance. Here, that is electric dipole. Right? The direction of electric dipole is from negative to positive. Okay. Now, see, if this length to 0, means this distance is very close, means to a length to 0, मतलब उसकी वैल्यू बहुत 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 कम होगी 0 के बराबर, then this we will call it as a point dipole. Okay, then the direction from negative to positive. The next topic, dipole moment. What is dipole moment? The product of magnitude of charges and the distance between them, right? That its symbol is P, unit vector P, that shows the direction of dipole, that is from negative to positive, and the unit of dipole moment is coulomb meter. Okay. The next topic is electric field on axial of an electric dipole. See, this is electric dipole. Now let me make you understand what is axial and what is equatorial. Okay, so see, this is plus, this is minus, this distance 2a. At any point on this line, that is called axial. Okay, any point on this line is called axial. Clear? And exactly at the center, okay, which divides it to this two into equal part. So any point on this line is called equatorial. Okay, so let me explain you. This is the equatorial plane. Okay, this whole plane, that is the equatorial plane. Okay, right, means if this is the center, then the plane lying over here is the equatorial, and this is the axial plane. I am talking about the plane. Okay, axial plane. So any point in this plane, that is axial plane, and this is any point on this, that is equatorial plane. Okay, but we are only first deriving the formula for electric field on the axis, means this line. Okay, that was two planes I had shown you, axial plane and equatorial plane. Okay, now this we are talking about axis, so on any point on the axis. So now let's say this as plus q, this as minus q, and we have to derive the equation of electric field at this point P. Let's take E. Okay, we have to derive the equation of electric field at this point P, or I can say A. Clear? So now what I will do, I will find out the electric field at this point A due to plus charge and due to minus charge. Okay, this distance is 2a. Okay, you can also take it in either way. You can select this point A in this direction. Okay, and then you can find out the electric field. Okay, clear? So now let the distance from the center be r. Let the distance of this point A from the center be r. Okay, so what is the distance from this r plus A, and distance from this point r minus A. Okay, so for this the distance will be r plus A, and for this the distance will be r minus A. So now let's find out the electric field. What is the electric field due to positive charge? Our formula was kq by r square. or 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. Okay, so I am writing 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. Now what is r? Don't take this out. Is r plus a whole square. An electric field due to negative charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r minus a whole square. Right? So electric field, the total electric field will be the vector sum. Right? The total electric field will be the vector sum. Okay. Now see, the total electric field will be equal to E plus E minus. Okay. Now at this point, what is the direction of electric field due to plus Q? Okay. What is the direction? Positive charge electric field away. So in this direction. Clear? It will be in this direction. So what is the direction of dipole from negative to positive? This is the direction of P. Unit vector I am taking only direction. So if this is P, this will be minus P. Okay, so I can write it down in this way. So same direction. So this is plus P. Okay, now if I have taken the point A on this side, by the let's say point B, then the direction of electric field will be plus will be this. So this will be plus P for this, and for this it will be in this direction towards, so minus P. So it depends in which direction you have taken the point. Okay. So now if I take vector, then this will be equal to E plus E minus. Right. So both are having same. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r plus a whole square, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r minus a whole square. Right? So both will be summation. Clear? Both will be sorry, let me add it down. See, denominator is different. So I will write it down 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 and q common in both. Clear? So now minus 1 upon r plus a square plus 1 upon r minus a square. Clear? So what I am doing? I am taking this minus here and adding up here plus and here minus. Okay? So actually book the point is given in this side. So it will be here plus and here minus. Okay? Now what is the direction? P. Both are having the direction P. Okay? So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q. When I will solve it, we will get r minus a whole square, r plus a whole square. Okay? R plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square p. Okay, I have taken the LCM. Clear? So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 a plus b, a minus b, there will be a square minus b square, and this is whole square. So this will be r square minus a square whole square. Now I am solving this. R plus a whole square, r square plus 2a plus a square minus r minus a whole square, sorry 2ar, r square minus 2ar plus a square. So r square minus r square, a square minus a square, 2a square minus minus plus, so 4ar. So it will be 4ar. Okay, I just forgot q into p. Clear? See, when it comes to written work, when in exam, no need to solve this extra step. You can directly write down 4ar. Okay. So now see, I am just rearranging it. From this I am separating 2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 to a q r upon r square minus a square into p. Okay, so now see here, what is 2aq? We had discussed earlier today. What is 2aq? That is the dipole moment, right? That is the dipole moment P. So this will be equal to 2 aq means, 2aq means P r upon r square minus a square. Sorry, I forgot. 1 by 2 by 4 by epsilon 0. When I am writing unit vector P, that means magnitude, direction, that is vector. A vector has two things, magnitude and direction. So this is the direction and magnitude. I am merging it into a vector. Okay, so I am writing the formula here that electric field due to dipole, that will be equal to, see now 1 by 4 by epsilon 0. I can write it down about k. So, okay, first let me write down this 2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 rp upon r square minus a square whole square. I just forgot to put down the square here. Okay, so now if I am taking this distance r as very large compared to 2a, means the dipole distance between them is very small. The distance I am taking at point A is very large, means r is too much greater than a. So here the a becomes negligible, so it's 0. So r square square, r is to 4, and here there is r, so it will be r cube. So electric field will be equal to 2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 p by r cube, or 2kp by r cube. Okay, 2k, k means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, I have converted to k. So its answer will be 2kp by r cube. This is the electric field due to dipole at a large distance. Okay, so see here, you can write it down here that when electric field due to dipole at far distance falls as 1 by r cube. Clear? See, let me inform you. Electric field, the formula is kq by r square. So electric field at a point charge, when you move at a far distance, it falls as 1 by r square. But for dipole, it is 1 by r cube. Okay, so I am repeating the whole topic once again. See, I am repeating. Now first what we had done, we had taken a dipole. Okay, so this is very important topic. It can be asked in 3 marks. Okay, see, plus charge, minus charge. Okay, distance between them is 2a, and you have to find the electric field at point A. So just begin with, let's solve figure that be a dipole. Right, the distance of the 2-point charges of the dipole is 2a, and let's find out the electric field at a point A, which is located at a distance r from the center of the dipole. Okay, so the distance from plus charge will be r plus a, and from minus charge will be r minus a. Right, so electric field due to plus charge will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r plus a whole square. If I take direction p, then it is an opposite to p, so it's minus, and for minus it is this direction. Okay, so let me do one thing, put here the vector sign, because we have to put direction. If you are not putting direction, don't write down p and then just write down this direction, final answer. Now so total electric field will be E plus plus E minus. So I'm just adding these two vectorly. Okay, so E plus this, E minus this. Okay, I have added it. Okay, and finally we get that electric field E is equal to is equal to 2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 rp upon r square minus a square whole square. Okay, and when distance is too large, A is negligible, it will be 2k p by r cube, and electric field fall as 1 by r cube for a dipole at large distance. Okay, so just go. Okay, electric field on the equatorial plane of a dipole means I am taking a positive charge, a negative charge, plus q, okay, plus q, minus q, drawing an equatorial plane. Okay, let this distance be 2a, so this will be a and this will be a. Okay, let's select the point on equatorial plane A. So electric field due to positive charge away, electric field due to negative charge towards. Okay, if I am taking the distance of this point from the center as r, this will be under root of r square plus a square. Even this will be under root of r square plus e square. Okay, now both the electric field are in this way, so the resultant will be in this way, this direction. Okay, now let's first find out the electric field to plus k q by r square. What is r square? R under root of r square plus a square, and it's square, so it will be r square plus a square, or 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r square plus a square, and E minus k q by, again same direction, distance is same, r square plus a square, or 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r square plus a square. Magnitude wise, electric field due to positive is equal to electric field due to negative. So the total electric field will be equal to 2 times, or I can say E plus plus E minus, or 2E plus or 2kq upon r square plus a square. Okay, but see, this is magnitude wise, clear? But see, if I split this into two parts, okay, first I will tell you what is the mistake. If I split it into two parts, this is the resultant in E1, this is E minus. If this angle is theta, this will be E plus sine theta, this will be E plus cos theta. Again, this is theta, so this is E minus sine theta, and this is E minus cos theta. Okay, so the electric field due to this normal component, okay, sine theta, that gets cancelled. The total electric field will be E plus cos theta plus E minus cos theta. So E will be equal to E plus cos theta plus E minus cos theta. But the value of E plus and E minus is same, right? So I can write it down E plus E minus cos theta to E plus cos theta, because magnitude wise both are same. So this will be equal to 2 k 2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r square plus e square cos theta. Right, now what is the value of cos theta here? If I take this as an angle, clear? If this is theta, this will be theta, so this is cos theta, this is a r under root of r square plus a square. So cos theta will be equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. So instead of cos theta, I will write it down a upon r square plus a square whole raised to 1 by 2. But this is magnitude wise. If I take vector form, then it will be 2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q and a here a cube upon, this is power 1 and this is 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, it will be 3 by 2. So r square plus a square raised to 3 by 2. But what is the direction? This direction. What is the direction of this dipole? From negative to positive. So from negative to positive, this is the direction of dipole moment. This is the direction opposite to dipole moment. So I will write minus p. Okay. Now what is 2aq? 2aq is p. So this I can replace it by the value p. So this will be electric field equal to minus k p. Sorry, minus p. I am writing in vector form, so I am just into the direction also. Upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r square plus a square raised to 3 by 2, or E equal to minus kp this way. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 I have taken as k upon r square plus a square whole raised to 3 by 2. Clear? Okay, now I am writing this formula once again here. E is equal to minus kp upon r square plus a square raised to 3 by 2. Now what happens when r is too much larger than a? Clear? What happens when r is too much larger than a? This r is very high. A is negligible. So the formula becomes minus kp by a is negligible. So square and 1 by 2 gets cancelled upon r cube, or minus 1 by 4 by epsilon 0 p by r cube. Here also you can see that electric field is proportional to 1 by r cube. That means electric field falls as 1 by r cube. Clear? Okay, I am repeating this topic once again. Two charges plus q minus q, distance 2a, so this will be a. Finding out the electric field at point A, which is on equatorial plane at a distance r. So distance from positive charge will be under root of r square plus a square, as well as negative charge. But finding out the value individual E plus will be equal to EQ, that is KQ by R plus A square. Right? So now splitting these vectors, two components sin theta, cos theta. As E plus is equal to E minus, this both component gets cancelled. And this both component gets added off. Right? Putting the value of E and finally solving, we get Kp by R square plus A square raised to 3 by 2. When r is too much greater than a, it will be kp by r cube. So again here also at equatorial plane, the electric field falls as 1 by r cube. Okay, when you are taking a larger distance. Okay, clear? So if an MCQ is asked, that electric field or dipole falls as dash on the equatorial plane, okay, then you cannot write down 1 by r cube, because this is the situation when you are taking r too much larger than a. The option is you can't say unless you don't know where the point is located. Okay, so this was about electric field to equatorial plane on dipole. Just go to this point.